I apologize, this shirt doesn't really match that background well. Let's you and I have a personal chat. I'll share some personal and private information about this channel you wouldn't normally see in my regular programming. Last year I had nearly 500,000 video views, almost reaching 2 million minutes of video watched. I created and uploaded 47 videos, nearly one per week, and gained nearly 15,000 new subscribers. My advertising revenue on this channel for all that work was about $500. I spent twice that on a single bag of coffee each week, and 10 times that just to keep the channel going. If I told you how many hours I spent to do this, I don't think you'd believe me. And any person could do the math and think my return on investment, at least monetarily, is insane. I'm not whining or complaining. I love what I do here and will continue to do it for as long as I can afford to. The point is, and for the record, I obviously don't do it for the money, and I offer this content freely to anyone willing to watch and learn because it's the right thing to do. There's a lot of reasons I won't go into, but what will help keep this channel going is more subscribers and viewers. I fully intend to get to 100K subscribers as soon as possible and want to reach 250K subscribers this year, an insanely lofty goal, which will bring this channel to the point where it can be maintained and at least self-supporting. If you're willing to help me with that effort, do me the favor of subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to get notified when my videos are posted, which will increase the views. More importantly, and if you are willing, you can help dramatically with this channel by sharing the subscribe link below on your social media channels, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and with those you know. I'll admit this is also a bit of a social experiment. Can a group of subscribers band together and effectively increase the viewership of a YouTube channel? Let's find out. I cannot thank everyone enough for their continued support over the years. You know who you are. Without your continued support, this channel would not exist. Thank you.